Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Justin. I'm right here in Ruthers Glen, Virginia. I'm at a Flying J. If you all didn't know, I'm an over-the-road truck driver and everything. But right now, I'm at a Flying J for the rest of the night, and I'm getting a little bored. I was watching some Netflix, but I want to get out of the truck for a little bit, and I want to do something fun. So I picked up a bottle of this stuff called liquid ass. And what better way to use it than at a truck stop? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and drown the entire Flying J with this stuff called liquid ass and see what people think. All right, everybody. We're walking up here to the door. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the phone down and try to spray this stuff somewhere where whenever everybody walks in, I don't know, we're just gonna have fun with it. But there's a lot of trucks here. It is trucks everywhere around here. There's trucks over there, all lined up. I mean, it's people everywhere. This place, I don't know, but we're gonna have some fun with it. We'll be right back. All right, he's gone. Almost got caught. Y'all ready for this? Liquid ass city. Oh, hold on, is he coming back? Oh, hold on, he's looking. Oh, here coming the employee. Damn. All right. Am I good? Don't want to get caught spraying it because on my cover. All right. Damn it. Here we go. Oh, damn, I think I got caught spraying. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up, like the video, subscribe. It's going to definitely be way more videos to come. You know, we're going to start a coalition here. It's called Liquid Ass America. Everywhere I go, everywhere I travel, it's gonna be liquid ass, and people's gonna enjoy it. So I love the product, liquid ass. I got it off of Amazon, like $8 plus shipping. I don't know, like $15. It got there super quick overnight. Well, not overnight, but a couple of days overnight. Got there super quick. Can't wait to liquid ass my family, my dad, my kids. So if you like the video, subscribe, big thumbs up, everybody, and we'll see you again. Peace.